7 interesting facts about animals. Hippos don't sweat. Instead, they secrete a reddish fluid that acts as sunscreen and antibacterial protection. In Africa, elephants avoid certain ant colonies because the ants can damage their sensitive trunks. Some turtles can actually breathe through their butts, especially during hibernation underwater. Beneath their white fur, polar bears have black skin to absorb more heat from the sun. Crocodiles swallow stones on purpose to aid digestion and help balance while diving. Some whale species call each other using unique sounds, like names. A cheetah can reach 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, in seconds, but can only maintain it for 20 to 30 seconds.